Oh,
time to go.
To everyone who...
Oh,
yes.
Sorry, Sandra's got another quick question.
Yes.
Sorry. Solder seam on bottom of a ring or under a bezel? Quick question.
Oh, don't get me started on this.
Oh, no.
Very quickly, and I'm very passionate again about this. You can tell I'm pretty passionate. Blob, okay? Ring, or bezel and ring. Where do you put your solder joint? People will tell you to put your solder joint here. Don't put don't put your solder joint there. Very, very quickly. You put your solder joint there. When you come to solder your blob you're setting onto your ring, there's a chance that that solder joint is going to come apart, is going to move. If there's tension in this ring, it'll pull apart. You will always see the solder joint here, okay? Other reason you don't do it that way. If you decide then you've got to resize your ring, you've got to cut down here. You've got to put a piece into the ring. There's your piece. How many joins have you got in that ring? 1, 2, 3. You want to cut it and make it smaller, take a piece out, solder it. How many pieces have you got in this ring? 2. This one, 2 solder joints. Bad, okay? You've weakened the ring, totally. What's going to happen? You've got a chance that ring is going to snap there. You've got a chance that ring is going to snap there. Don't do it that way. What you want to do is put your solder joint down here. Solder your blob, your setting, on top of the ring where there is no solder joint. You can safely solder here without any panic, any problems, because your solder joint is down here. Okay, advantages. First advantage. Second advantage, you want to resize the ring. Where do you cut the ring? You cut the ring across your original solder joint. How do you find it? Warm up the shank, the joint shows, okay? You want to resize the ring, take a piece out, rejoin it, solder it. How many joins have you got in your ring? 1. How many pieces have you got in the ring? 1 piece. You want to add a piece to this. You put your solder joint in. You've got 2 solder joints. There's a piece you've added. Admittedly, you've now got 2 solder joints, but the ring is still strong. So don't put your solder joint under the head. Just don't do it. Do me a favour, don't do it. You're going to end up with hassle, with so much trouble. That's what I'm going to say.
I think you need your tea.
I'm going to bottle of wine after that. A glass of wine, I mean, after that.
Was there any need for that outburst?
Sorry, I'm very passionate. I'm going to go now. All right.
Falling into dark fairy. Yeah. Goodness me. Well, I think on that bombshell.
I think on that bombshell, we will go.